Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or off the ability for Gmail to automatically show you images or load images in emails. There are some senders that would be able to detect if you open an email that contain an image file, so even if it's not a malicious image, there might still be little trackers or cookies that would still indicate you access the email without having actually replied to it. So that's just one reasons why they might turn it off. Then I show you guys how to display the images automatically. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Gmail account and then click mo lang tong Gmail. And then dito lang sa top right corner and select mo lang dito yung settings. And then makikita mo dito yung quick settings and then select mo lang dito yung see all settings. And then dito sa see all settings, scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung images. Okay, so ito siya. May dalawang option dito na pwede natin i-choose. Una, ito yung always display external images. And then yung pangalawa naman ay as before displaying external images, these options also disables dynamic email. Okay, so ito yung makikita natin pag nag-open tayo ng emails, minsan may naka-indicate doon na images. Okay, so silik ka lang dito sa dalawang options settings nito. And then meron naman ditong another options, ito yung dynamic email. So pwede mo itong enable, dynamic email, display dynamic email content when available. So check mo lang tong box kung gusto mo or pwede mo naman itong i-uncheck. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-display ang images automatically in Gmail. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.